was meant to be something that's more performant and portable than the JavaScript virtual machine that a lot of browsers use by default, where WebAssembly virtual machines can interact directly at the native hardware level through code that targets a WebAssembly as its compiling target. And these language includes C++, Rust, Go, any other system level languages. And what's really here is these languages are very mainstream. Everyone uses this for any cases that we already have, and they have a very well established library. But WebAssembly itself has a lot of support from big industry players like Apple, Google, Microsoft. And for a blockchain, EVM is also just a stack-based virtual machine, and just like WebAssembly, the only difference is the instruction sets. Like, is it more standardized or is it really custom made? And for EVM, it's very custom made. It's a proof of concept really for a smart contract as well, smart contract execution environments. Hence why there are a lot of problems that be fixed, like for example, handling asynchronicity or language composability, and that's where WASM is so powerful